Hey guys, what's up? It is Jobs on Twitch on a Friday bonus stream. Um, I'm finally gonna build my next PC, my next gaming PC, and I guess I'll stream from it as well. So yeah, a little different, today. I'm running off my other computer that I used to stream from, so I think it's fine. You guys will have to tell me how the quality goes, but I just bumped it down to 30 frames per second because I'm only broadcasting my camera, and that camera can only do 30 frames per second anyway. So I think this should be fine. And I got some chill hop DMCA free music running in the background. I did put that in my Discord as well, by the way. We had last time I only played a couple songs from it, I think, just for like the intros and breaks and stuff like that. So I'll just let it play today, just to kind of give us a relaxing aura as we take our time in putting this together. So as you guys can see here, I have my old computer disconnected but still plugged in. I'm gonna use most of the stuff that's still in there. Like I have a CD, like I have a DVD drive in there. I have like actual spinning hard disks in there. I have a SATA drive in there, like a six gig SATA drive, not a like a 2.5 SATA drive, not a NVMe new one. So my old PC was built in 2014 with an old DDR3 memory on an Intel i5. I think it was like a 4500 chip or something like that. So it's getting a little dated in terms of like speeds and stuff like that. I actually probably could run the 600. As you can see, I have a 600 PSU. I probably could run that 600 PSU in my new computer because my next, actually, I am running it right now because I got this earlier. I got my GeForce 2070 Super earlier than the rest of the equipment. So I actually put that into the computer already and had been using it. It's right here with the 600. So it does work fine to run it like that, at least with the setup that I have right now. But I am going to move my 970, which actually the 970 is in this box right now. I'm going to move the 970 into my other computer and probably use that for my son's first gaming computer. So you know, that I'll help him build that on another day. But so I'm gonna move the 600 into that computer so that he can run the 970 with it, which is the one that I've been running for a while. So that works fine. That's the reason why I did get a new PSU. Not completely necessary, but I got a 750 here, which is I also wanted to get a fully modular one, as you can see. Might be actually hard to see with the lighting, but there we go. So I think that'll be a little bit neater. It says ultra low noise as well. So this is an 80 plus gold certified one. I think the current CX600 that I have right now is actually a bronze, but it's fine. It works just fine. And then I got a liquid cooler that supposedly is supposed to work really well with this. We're probably gonna have to take this fan off in the back, I think, to put it there. We'll see. I'm not sure. I'll have to read the instructions on that one a little bit. And then my new one, we're going to go with, actually, I do have a zoomed in. I have a zoomed in version. So I have a Core i7. This is the 9700, 9700K. And then I have 2x8, 16 gigs, which is plenty for gaming. I could go insane, but because I do some programming and studio stuff, like game development, stuff like that. So maybe I'll bump it up to 32 eventually, but I just started with this for now. It's a coincidence that a lot of this stuff is Corsair. My case is Corsair too. I purposely got the cooler that fits with the case. Because I just didn't. I was thinking about getting like an H100 or one of those other types or something like that, but I wasn't sure it would actually fit on the top of this cage, because this is a kind of an old case and they don't make this case anymore. But I didn't really want to buy a new case. I really like this case. It's a really good case. The only thing I could think about is maybe cleaning out the front fans a little bit, but I'll probably just move everything over and continue with the same one. So I went with this one. We can zoom out maybe a little bit. So here we go. I went with the MSI Gaming Plus Intel motherboard here. So this, I also previously had an MSI board too. The one that I have right now is the Z97 PC Mate, which also worked wonders for me. I had no problems. Actually, the only thing that ever broke in this previous PC build was actually my capture card, which Elgato actually was nice enough to send me a replacement. So I'm actually using that replacement card now, which I haven't had any problems with the replacement. So maybe I got a lemon. I'm not exactly sure. It did work for like a year or so before it broke. So I wasn't using it as often back then. Obviously now I'm like running God of War and a lot of the PlayStation games. We also went through Neo as well too. So